what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Hey, if you're new here, please click that like and subscribe at the bottom of the screen. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. This way you get notified every time I upload a video. Well, what's today's video all about? It's all about adding more lighting to the front of your Roadglide. What we have here is my 2022 CVO Roadglide, and we have the custom Dynamics headlight with the custom Dynamics turn signals, and we have the fang lights right on the other side, each side of the headlight. So now what we're doing is we're adding the run and turn lights here at the windshield bezel. It's a really simple process, and depending on what screws you have here, it could be a T27 or a Phillips, or in my case it's an 11mm with the spiked windshields. These spikes are from Kuryakin. But the nice thing about taking your windshield off is it's a good time to clean your dash. But we're going to be taking the dash off as well to do this project. Alright, so here they are. They come to you from Custom Dynamics. These were not given to me. I purchased these out of my own pocket because I want to add as much visibility to the front as I have visibility in the back. Especially when I put the tour pack on, I have a ton of visibility back there with lighting. So I'm going to put these down out of the way, and we're going to get right into it. So what you want to do is you want to loosen up the 4 screws. Again, depending on which ones you have, whether it's a Phillips, a T27, or the Phillips, or the 11mm like I have. So once you get those loose, you should be able to pick your windshield right up and out of the way. Put it someplace safe out of the way that you're not going to step on it or trip on it. So for now, I mean, look how dirty that is. We're going to be cleaning all this up inside. The rubber piece is filthy, but we're going to get it all nice and clean. And be careful when taking these off. If you have the bezel, your street glides and your Roadglide standards and specials don't have this bezel. This bezel is unique to the CVOs. So if you have a CVO, be careful that you don't drop it and scratch your paint. Before I go any further, I'm going to talk to you guys about the chopper build for the fundraiser for Homes for the Brave. If you're seeing this and you have any chopper parts laying around your house that you're looking to get rid of, please let me know that you look, hey, I got these old chopper parts laying around, I'd like to get rid of them. Donate them to the channel, donate them to the homeless veterans to help support the Homes for the Brave. I appreciate it, the Homes for the Brave would appreciate it, and watch out for that build series when it comes along. So let's pop this up. So what you want to do is get underneath here and gently, because it's only a couple tabs that hold it on. And these are your tabs right here. One here and one there. And that holds this whole thing on, believe it or not. So we'll put this down out of the way, someplace safe. Now your turn signals are located right here. As you can see, I have quite a bit of stuff here going on with my turn signals because I added so much to it. But we will definitely get it taken care of. We will definitely be tying them in. And you know, when you do add more lighting like this, you are always going to add more wiring. So, you know, just be conscious of that. But also while I'm here, I'm going to clean all this up. So let me do that now. And what am I going to clean this up with? This, again, this is not sponsored by Clockworks or anything, but I have the Clockworks cleaner wax, and they're a chamois. I got this from Brian Clock himself down in Daytona, and I've been waiting to try this stuff out. So let's take a look. We'll spray it. Oh, you can tell it's new. It takes a little for it to pump up. Right in the areas where a lot of schmutz was. Oh, it smells good. What do you think? Think it smells good?
It smells like grape.
Yeah, it does. And I'm going to clean in here where you normally don't clean. Yeah, my wife just says it smells like grapes. Normally, guys, she doesn't talk this slow. I think she's a little intimidated talking on the camera, but everybody says she did a great job with all the other camera work, and they want to see you do more of it because it makes better content. So,
It smells delicious.
yeah, it does, doesn't it?
I want to eat it.
You want to eat it? Here, open up.
No, the bite. We'll eat the bite. I'll eat the bite.
You want to eat it? That's what she said. Yeah, that's residue. That's all glue residue from the rubber, from everything else. But that's okay. That's all underneath the dash. But I just wanted to get it clean.
You can see the metal flaking.
Yes.
The bite. Well, maybe.
All the pretty flaking.
Plating is not right enough.
All right. So now we're going to open up our Custom Dynamics package. And when you open it up, you want to be careful so you don't drop anything.
As you open that up.
As I open up again, this is from Custom Dynamics. 99% of the lights on here are from Custom Dynamics. The only lights that are not from Custom Dynamics are the tail lights. Those are from Advan Black. And they give you new screws and washers. They give you some jumpers and some extensions. It's giving me a hard time. Don't argue with me. Get out of the package. Why must you argue? There we go. That's one. All right. So these are marked on the back here. Let me put this down so you can see it. Yep, they're marked. There's an L there. So you know this is the left side, which it would be your clutch side. I guess it goes, I don't know. Hold on.
Where's the other one?
Oh, it'd be left side as you're looking at it, I believe.
How does the other one look?
No,
Yeah, no.
no, I was right. Or, I don't know. Hold on. No, we don't need directions. Directions. What is wrong with you, woman?
Well, hey, hang on a second. There you go. They would go left as you're looking. No? That ain't.
No, that doesn't look right either.
That doesn't. This way.
And that doesn't look right.
Maybe right.
When I order them, they say they fit the bike. Okay.
What about the other side?
Oh, let's find out. All right, guys, we figured it out. It's not too hard. There you go, center. Not too hard to figure out. Just took a little while. This rubber piece goes towards the center. The wire goes towards the back. What you want to do is line it up with the holes, and because of the Clockworks windscreen, you could just start them and drop your windscreen in after you put in the dash. So there you go. That's one. Okay. So garbage. Garbage, not garbage. All right, so we'll put this in. Like I said, we're just going to start them by hand. Now, if you take a look, you can see all the space that is inside of here, so I could drop the windshield in, the dash and all that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to connect our electrical, and they give you the jumpers for it. So we're going to take one here, unplug it. It's a pinch and pull. So that's your split. So this here will get connected here. This will get connected here. And then this one gets connected here. So what we're gonna do is tuck all this wiring out of the way as much as we can, because we just added a whole bunch of it. Now we're gonna do the other side. So this one here gets plugged in here. This one will go here. And now this one will go here. So, but before we go any further, what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the bike on and we are going to test the running lights, which should be white, and then the turn signals and four-way flashers. So let's do that.
Oh. They're white.
They're white? Perfect. Okay, so now we're going to left turn.
Yep. Oh, cool.
They're sequential. Isn't that awesome? Now we'll go to right to turn. And just want to make sure all of them are working. So we're going to hit the hazards. Now if you look down in front, and if you back up, you'll see now we'll have, you know, 3 turn signals left, 3 turn signals right in the front. And then, you know, we'll have the 2 in the back. So that really will get somebody's attention. Let them know what I'm doing. You know, I'm turning left or I'm turning right. And now we'll turn the bike off. All right, what's left, guys? We got the dash. Told you this is a simple install. So these wires get inside of here. Right inside of here, on both sides, right in the corners. Run them deep into the corners, and then you won't pinch them. So, this, I gotta clean this. This is disgusting. Guys, when you're taking panels off like this and they're dirty from riding, now's the time to clean it. Because it's easy to get to. And nothing says love to your motorcycle than you keeping it clean. Yeah, I know a lot of guys, I don't have time to clean my bike. I'm too busy riding it. Well, yeah, that's true. A lot of people are too busy riding it. But when you're doing upgrades like this, good time to clean it. All right, so this here parks. Oh, can we? You can't do this way. All right, look, plan 2. Put that back down out of the way. We will take these off. Yeah, see, even I make mistakes. And we'll just move this to the side. And same thing with this one. Nope, I got them right here. No, it's fine. Because now what we'll do is we'll tuck this in to the back, just so like that, and snap it right in. And there you go. Look at that. See, now we're cooking with some Wesson, and you just saw it just snap right in.
And hurt it.
Yep. So now we'll just start these by hand again. But before I put the windshield on, I'm going to clean this whole top of this dash because that is just so nasty. That's got grime and everything left over from Daytona.
There's no dragonfly in it this time.
Yeah. I didn't bring home a dragonfly mouse.
Yeah, you did. It was still alive. I put him outside.
Yeah. From Daytona?
No, another ride you did.
Oh, another ride, yeah.
It was kicking its legs, poor thing.
So now we'll clean it all up because I'll be honest with you guys, seeing the dirt up here by the edge of the windshield was driving me crazy. What do you guys think so far? What do you think of the, what's your opinion on the custom Dynamics lights? I like them. If I had my way, I would have Custom Dynamics make their smoked lenses a little bit more smoked instead of a lightly tint. That's one reason why I went with the ones I Advan Black for the back, because those are here, come around, take a look. We'll look at the smoke in the back. So if you look here, okay, these are from Advan Black, and it's a nice dark smoke. These are the bag blades from Custom Dynamics, and as you can see, it's a light tint where these are a darker smoke. But when you turn it on, it doesn't hinder the light pattern. So I would like to see Custom Dynamics come up with a real smoke instead of a dark tint, or a light tint, I should say, or a darker tint on their lenses. And you know, I'm going to use their product on the inside of the windshield. You guys can use whatever cleaner you like, protectant, wax, spray wax, that you prefer. You don't have to use Clockworks. There are millions of them out there. I am not paid by Clockworks, so it makes no difference to me. But then again, hey Brian, here's a chance for sponsorship. Hey, speaking of sponsorship, should I tell them the big news? Yeah, I will tell them the big news. Hey guys, I was approached by the motorcycle TV, motorcycle channel TV station, and the website for that is motorcyclechannel.tv. I was approached by them to have my own TV show, and we are working out all the details now as we speak with them. And I think that's awesome that Dr. Harley's going to actually have his own TV show. You know? What do you guys think about that? So if anybody wants to sponsor the Dr. Harley channel, now's the time to get in. Get in with your products if you want to send me products. Because I will feature them on the TV channel. I will be featuring this on that TV channel as well. These lights from Custom Dynamics. And guys, this is a time where less is more on torque. You don't have to be a gorilla. You don't have to make this extremely tight. All you have to do is make it snug, plus a little bit, that's it. It doesn't have to be gorilla tight. And now I'm finished cleaning my windshield. All right, guys. Here it is. What do you think? Oh, this cleaner wax works really good.
Smells good too.
And it smells great, my wife says. Now, if anybody knows or doesn't know, my wife is the detail expert here in the OR. She does a lot of bikes. She's taken a lot of bikes that were parked for years, believe it or not, had mold on them, paint was lackluster, and brought them back to life. Brought the paint back to life.
Even leather saddlebags.
The leather saddlebags I was getting there, the chrome leather saddlebags, the leather bibs. She was able to bring all of that back to life, and she did a fantastic job. after this video. Hey, if you like this content and you want to see more content and videos like this, make sure you hit that bell notification on the bottom of the screen. This way you get notified every time I upload a video. All right, everybody, until the next one, live the best life you can. Ride often and ride hard.
Like and subscribe to Dr. Harley. Subscribe, Dr. Harley.